Integrating Xero with your Fergus account helps reduce double handling and saves you valuable time by automatically sending customer and supplier invoices and credits to Xero, syncing customer invoice payments from Xero back into Fergus, and importing existing customers from Xero. To get started, head to your user profile in the top right corner of your screen and select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Integration Center. Then click on Xero and hit the Connect to Xero button. If you're not logged in yet, you'll be prompted to do so. If you have multiple organisations, you'll need to select which one to link to Fergus first. Then click Allow Access. Next, fill in your account codes for material and labour sales, followed by your accounts for supplier invoices and credits. Don't forget to add your account codes for tradesperson wages. This is important for your Fergus reports. If you're not sure which accounts to use, we recommend speaking with your accountant or bookkeeper. You can always select Do It Later for now, but remember to come back to it when you can. Once you've completed the setup, click Import Customers in the top right corner. This will pull your existing customers from Xero into Fergus. Moving forward, new customers should be added in Fergus. When you create and invoice a new customer, they'll automatically sync to Xero. You're all set. Your Xero integration is now active, and Fergus will work seamlessly with Xero to save you time and reduce manual data entry.